Hello, I'm Olivia, and if you've arrived here, it's likely because you're passionate about woodworking, but have faced challenges finding detailed, reliable plans for your projects. Guess what? It's not your fault. Many enthusiasts encounter the same obstacles, struggling to bring their ideas to life without proper guidance. Ted's Woodworking is a product that promises to change the game. Is it true? Stay until the end of this video. I have important insights and some crucial warnings to share with you. It's frustrating to search for comprehensive woodworking plans only to find incomplete or overly complex instructions. You're not alone in this struggle. What if I told you there's a practical and efficient solution? Before we continue, I must warn you. Be very careful where you purchase Ted's Woodworking. This product is only available on the official website. To make it easier, I've left the link in the description of this video and in the pinned comments. This is crucial to avoid falling for scams. While there may not be specific scientific studies on woodworking plans, industry experts agree that detailed, step-by-step instructions are essential for successful project completion, especially for beginners. Now, let's discuss how Ted's Woodworking can provide the guidance you need. Ted's Woodworking is unlike any resource you've encountered. It offers over 16,000 woodworking plans with step-by-step instructions, detailed schematics, and cutting lists, making your projects easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're a novice or an experienced craftsman, these plans are designed to help you build stunning, professional woodworking projects without the guesswork. With Ted's Woodworking, you can embark on a wide range of projects, from simple crafts to complex furniture designs, all with confidence and precision. Many have already achieved incredible results, and you can be one of them. Remember, each individual's experience may vary, so maintain realistic expectations. Ted's Woodworking not only provides a vast collection of plans, but also offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied with the product, you can request a full refund. This assurance underscores the confidence in the quality and value of the plans provided. So, before purchasing, remember the warning about the official website. Don't compromise your woodworking projects. Buy safely. Click the link in the description to secure your access to Ted's Woodworking and start creating the projects you've always dreamed of. Say goodbye to unreliable plans and hello to woodworking success. I hope this analysis helps you, just as Ted's Woodworking has enhanced the craftsmanship of many. Leave a like on the video and comment if you have any questions.